How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. Today I'm going to talk about 3 levels of making money from credit cards. You see, long before I got 26 credit cards, I thought the way to make money from credit cards is to purchase things and then get your cash back, and occasionally you can get some sign-up bonuses. So after doing all this churning, I realized there's different tiers at which you can make money from credit cards. The lowest being cashback percentage. It goes from like 1% to 5% or even 10%. And then it's sign-up bonuses. And then after that is actually referral bonuses. Let me first talk about cashback bonuses. For anyone that's sort of in a know, you can basically get 2% back on everything that you buy. Now you just need to qualify for one of these cards, one of them being the Citi double cashback card. Now on some credit cards, you get something a little bit better like the Discover It or the Chase Freedom. You can get 5% on rotating categories, but these are a little bit annoying. But you'll soon see that 5% pales in comparison to sign-up bonuses and what comes afterwards, which is referral bonuses. Now on a really good day, you might be able to get a credit card such as the Sears MasterCard, which gets you about 10% cash back on some special promotions. It's not always guaranteed, but you might be able to get this 10% sometimes. Now let's step back a bit and just sort of think of this at a macro scale. How much do you actually spend every single year? Let's say it's about $10,000 that you can funnel through credit cards. Let's say you take all your bills and stuff, everything, you push it through credit cards, and let's say you're able to somehow juggle your credit cards around and get 5% on every single category that you can imagine. 5% on $10,000 is $500, which is something that I've been getting for, the last 10 years. I've been consistently getting, I think about $200 to $500 in cashback bonuses just from usage of all my cards. I go, okay, this category is good. I get 5% on this current quarter. So, I do all this mental calculation. I write this little cheat sheet and I make sure I maximize it. I get on average, roughly 5% on every single thing that I buy. This is pretty good when you get $500 every single year for just spending what you normally would spend. Now, the next tier of earning is when you sign up for credit card bonuses. You'll soon realize that once you do this, signing up for one single credit card is going to net you about $500 worth of value. So doing just one credit card, it's going to get you enough value of using cashback bonuses on all the other credit cards. So just doing this, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I only need to do one credit card, and essentially it replaces all those other cashback bonuses, all those 2%, 5% things. So it sort of pales in comparison by a lot. So you can just go, well, why don't I just, sign up for one credit card, take the $500, and I don't have to deal with all this 5%. Maybe you don't have to deal with it as aggressively. So then you just go, okay, forget about all that. I'm not going to do all this mental juggling and just use a Citi double cashback card and just get 2% on everything. Okay. Then you can sort of, relax a bit and not need to keep on updating this cheat sheet that I personally have done before. Now, in order to tap into these sign-up bonuses, you actually need a pretty good credit in order to sign up for a credit card that allows for sign-up bonuses. Not all credit cards give you sign-up bonuses, and if you want to do more than one, in my case, I did about 10. You need extraordinary credit, like more than 800 FICO points. Now, as I have said before, if you want to do many credit cards, then you might need to employ some service like Plastiq, where you can pay your bills, pay your mortgage or something, so you can satisfy these minimum spend requirements in order to get the sign-up bonus. Now, you can no longer use this Plastiq thing on mortgages using a Visa or American Express card. Now, MasterCard and Discover still work, so it makes things a little bit more difficult to do. So you can only sign up for sign-up bonuses for MasterCards and Discover cards, but it's still possible to do a few. Now, if you don't want to do this Plastiq service, then you can indeed still sign up for a credit card and just go, okay, I'm going to really spend everything that I have, everything that you normally would spend through that credit card. So you might find yourself, going to all these bills and then go, okay, let me change the charging credit card. And that takes a lot of work, of course. But if you do all that and just funnel everything, your car insurance, your trash bill, just basically everything through one single credit card, you might be able to satisfy one brand new credit card, maybe, I don't know, 2-3 months or so, you can do one brand new credit card without even using this Plastiq service. Now let's think about the value here. $500 or so for cashback bonuses. That's on the order of 2 to 5%. But when you do sign up bonuses, if you're able to do one single card, that's $500 already. If you're able to do 10 cards, which is something I did, then you can get a value of close to $5,000. So this is one order of magnitude better than your cashback bonuses. And to me, it's roughly about the same amount of work as doing $5,000 in sign-up bonuses versus $500 in cashback bonuses. The last and most profitable level is referral bonuses. This is where if you have your credit card and sometimes they give you mailings and go, okay, refer friends or something, then if someone signed up, you can get like $50 to $100 that I've seen. So in this sense, you never actually have to try to funnel all your spending through a credit card and just get a measly 5%. You don't have to try to use the Plastiq service to try to churn a credit card at all. No money actually flows around at all. So therefore, you can refer as many people as you want. Now, from what I've seen, the Chase Freedom card does solicit people, just anybody that uses their card, to try to have them refer their friends. And every single time you refer someone, you actually get $100 worth of points in your account. Now, referral bonuses is going to work best for people that has a lot of Facebook friends, maybe like thousands of them. And if you have a media outlet such as a YouTube channel or a website, you can refer someone. And when they click through your link and sign up to a credit card and get approved and everything, then you're going to get a kickback of something around $50 to $100. It's important to note that if you do not have a relationship set up with, for example, Chase or Discover or something like that, or any of the credit card companies, that they usually limit your benefit to about $500. So if you refer like 5 friends on Chase Freedom, then that's the most that you'll get. If you refer 10, you'll still get the amount of referring 5. So they put a cap on that, I think, because you do not have an established relationship with them. They just kind of want you to refer to the people that you know. And if you happen to refer to more, then, well, they don't pay you for that. So if somehow you are a big enough media person, maybe you have a really big website, I think Slick Deals does this as well, because if you go on their website, you can see that every 2 lines or something, they always refer you to use like Chase Freedom Unlimited or, one of the Sapphire cards. So if you have a relationship set up with one of the credit card referrals, then I believe this is unlimited. I personally don't have something like this, but I'm pretty sure this is what happens. Why do I say this referral bonus is the best? Way better than percentage cashback, way better than sign-up bonuses, is because you're not limited by the number of cards that you can churn, which is basically limited by my personal credit score. Here in a referral bonus, you're limited by how many people can click on your link and actually sign up, which is basically limited by how much reach you have, how much media presence you have. So if you have a really large website, if you have a really large blog, really large YouTube channel, then many people will sign up for it. Even if just one person clicks on this link out of 1,000 or even 10,000 people, this represents a huge referral fee. So out of all these methods, I hope you see that each one is limited by something and each one has a requirement. For example, the first one, cashback, well, anyone can do that. The second level, you need a really high credit score. The third one, you need some sort of media presence, which is really not easy to get. I hope this gives you a little perspective on which level you're operating at. Especially when you start doing credit card sign-up bonuses, you're going to start looking at the cashback level, like is very little basically. Once you're able to do credit card referral bonuses, which for myself, I have not been able to do because I'm not signed up with any credit card company just yet, you'll likely find that even sign-up bonuses might be a little bit too difficult, too much work to do because you cannot repeat this on a continuous basis. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like over here. Comment down below. Let me know if you sort of abandoned cashback or sort of looked at it a little bit less after you tried out a lot of sign-up bonuses. If you're interested in supporting this channel, check out my Audible link down in the video description below where you can get a free audiobook. And if you don't like this audiobook, you can cancel the subscription before it expires and you do not have to pay a thing, and yet you can still keep this audiobook for free. I also have a Patreon over here where I give perks such as past spreadsheets that I have used in previous videos. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel over here and click that bell icon next to that subscribe button so that you get a new notification whenever I upload a brand new video. Thanks for watching.